Hey, what's up, guys? It's me playing Gangster Vegas, and welcome back to the another video in COVID-19 pandemic. So here is my car, which I have delivered from 14,000 cost. That's price pretty much low, but right for me because I have not much cash. And see me, I am looking like a businessman right now. And let's ride. And I want to show you something like what's going on. I want to show you something like where you can easily find air airplanes on airport places like spots. I will tell you the spots and places where you can find airplanes easily. Let me first go to the airport, and so here is the map. Let's go. I will tell you where you can find aeroplanes and the spots of airport in airport. Do you like this? Do you wait? No. Well, friends, do you like my car color? What the hell, man? Seriously, these drivers are driven. There, see that? See that? I don't want to shoot them because of. Let me go from left front. First, I will go airport. Then I will tell you about these drivers. I'm really confused of them because they are really not good drivers, and I'm me too, but I can't kill them because of cops. See here, like here. No. Just go. Yeah, friends. See, I'm in an airport right now. Let me go. Wow, man, I need to take left. I know it's wrong place, but this is right place. I need to go left from here. Slowly. Now I'm here. Now I can't take my. What the hell, man? You are doing? Now I can't take my car because there's so much sands over here. So why I am not taking this? And let I am giving you the spots where you can find airplane is first. You can see there is two warehouses of airport, and you can see this is crane and some aeroplanes are right away, and you can find one aeroplane there. You can't see them right now. Let's there first here you can find it. First here you can find this airplane. This is the first place. From there you can't find any aeroplanes, so let me go. Now here also you can find aeroplanes or helicopter or something that's randomly changed about any distance, and here is a helicopter too, and two more airplanes you can find there. See, there's appearing from wherever, I don't know. They are appearing and disappearing from distance. That's your phone quality will tell, or you will look. You can look easily or seriously. These airplanes are right behind there because why I don't know ever that why these airplanes are and helicopters too are here, because this airport is never. What the sound is this? The cops are everywhere. Really, let's ride this airplane first. This system and controls and functions are easy, but for beginners it's really difficult. You need to take your handle down so that you can take off, and take your handles up, then you can go. The airplane will be going down. So let me show you from top. increase the speed, man. See this, look at this. The cool gangster Vegas. This is the Los Angeles, yeah. Really awesome. See the desert appearing and disappearing. Do you want to go to the military base? Let me go. I will show you that there is something more different, because the military choppers are also there and tank too, and this is really good. Where is my house, man? My house is right over there. You can't see them because I can't easily tell you. I need to go there. So let me go to my house first. Military base is this way. When I entered there, the cops will see me and can easily destroy me in air. So I am going to my house and I park my vehicle, park my aeroplane right away. Slow down. Just come down. Man. I need to slowly park my aeroplane here. Now I can easily. That's it, guys. This is my aeroplane. I don't really want this because I don't like aeroplanes. I like cars. The cop is there. See this Galopino. Well friends, I want to show you that how I can earn more cash. I will show you this. This is Galopino Deluxe, and I have a map of chop shop where I can buy or where I can only sell the cars. This is good, and this is Galopino level 1, which is the heaviest and the most favorite car and a very expensive car in Gangster Vegas, Los Angeles. See this, and this car is sold by only 1,25,000 cash that you can easily earn by through ads or by selling them. Let me show you how to sell them. Seasons change means weather. Let's track a pointer where the chop shop pointer is on the mini map. Let me go. I need to go slow because the cops are already here around there. Free prizes is available. Right now I am going to chop shop to show you how I earn more cash using selling the cars or selling Galopino Deluxe. Wait. When there you can see the briefcase, golden briefcase in the car. This is the high value target, which I also tell you in the Gangster New Orleans. When you sell these types of cars, it may cost 4 lakhs. Yeah, 4 lakhs. But right now I am gonna just show you that small cars, the Galopino Deluxe. You can also sell your GL series or anywhere you get. The chop shop is near. Let me take a left turn. Now here you can sell your vehicle. Then you see, I sell not mine. That was not mine. I sell my Galopino Deluxe. Sorry, not mine. I sell someone else Galopino Deluxe on 1,25,000 and I earned easily. So here's the way when I increase my cash easily and faster, and where you also find where is aeroplane in the airport. I tell you the spots where you can find easily airport. So that's it, guys. This is for the video, and hope you like the video. Hope you are watching this video on YouTube. I will give you a small preview on Instagram too. So follow me on Instagram and take care of you and your family in the pandemic. Bye. Really good day. Wow. Bye.